So now let's see how we can work around with master pages inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around and create a new page right here where, let's say for example, 6 pages right here, and I'm going to go around and press OK. So once I do that, I got 6 pages around over here, and let's say in these 6 pages I want same content to be there, let's say in the header area or footer area or anywhere else. In that case, what you can do is you can go around onto Windows and then onto Docker right here, just like this. And then you need to go around over here onto the object Docker. So I'm just going to go around over here onto object data right here. And this is what you have. So let's just go around over here onto Docker right here. And then I'm going to go around over here onto the objects Docker right here, just like this. So let's just go around right here. So I'm bring down the object data. So this is the object data that I have right here, and over here you can see that master page is around over here. If I were to go around onto page 1, let's say for example there's a layer 1, as you can see right here, and if I were to take around a rectangular tool, let's say for example keep it on the layer 1, then it only stays on this particular layer, as you can see right here. So let's go around over here, this only stays on this particular layer. But if I were to go around onto the master page right here, just like this, around over here, and then draw around just like this, then this rectangular stays on the master page, as you can see right here. Let's just go around and select blue right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around over here and select, let's say for example, dark blue right here, just like this as well. If I were to go around onto page 2, then you can see that this is what you have. So this is in layer 1 right now, just like this. But what I want is I want these to appear in all of the pages. So I'm going to simply select this out right here, and I'm going to go around and add it onto the master page right here, new master layer on all pages right here, just like this. So now this is what I have, as you can see. Let me just go around and then press Ctrl X to cut it, and then paste it out right here, just like this. And let me just press Ctrl X right here, paste it out on this layer right here, just like this. Let me just go around and then put this above right here. And if I were to go to page 2, now you can see that in all of the pages that particular content is there. So whatever you keep on the master page right here will appear on all of the pages. So this is especially useful if you want to add in heading designs and so forth, or footer designs, and get everything aligned right here, just like this. So this is what you have. And if I were to go around over here onto Windows right here, onto, let's say for example, Dockers right here and pages right here, then you can see the pages around over here as well. And even if you have the multi-page view right here, then you can see that this is what you have. If I were to go around and move the object in the master page, you can see that it moves in all of the pages right here, just like this. So same goes around over here. So I can just go around and move this right here, just like this. And that is what you have. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this. And then if I were to go around over here and move this, you can see that it moves in all of the pages as long as it is in the master layer. So that is how you can work around with the master page inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.